What if I told you that your thoughts don't just influence your life, they literally create it? The quantum world is proof of this. Quantum physics, there's something known as the observer effect, and the observer effect collapses the wave function. What this means is that the act of observing a particle collapses that particle into a measurable state. What the science is backing is that observation isn't a passive state, it is an act of creation because you are observing the world through the filters of your beliefs, your thoughts, and your emotions. And based on the subconscious programs that you're holding, beliefs, thoughts, and emotions, that will dictate the reality that you're experiencing through the senses. Quantum mechanics, this is proven through something called a double-slit experiment. When particles are observed or measured, they behave like particles. When they are not observed, they are in a wave of pure potential. Everything is energy and information. We're seeing this with all the new technologies in the quantum computing space at the moment. Understand that this act of observation, collapsing the wave function, literally disproves materialism, because if you shift your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs, you're going to shift the lenses from which you're perceiving the reality. You're going to shift your reality because there is no external reality out there. That's an illusion. Your reality, we perceive our reality through the lenses of beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. This is running for most people on autopilot. They're not aware of the programs that they're running on. So the big question is, if observation can affect particles in quantum mechanics on a subatomic level, what does that mean for our daily lives? Just like in the experiment, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are constantly observing and collapsing your reality. As an example, if you focus on abundance, you create opportunities for wealth. If you focus on lack, you create obstacles. So the light bulb moment here is that the observer is you. Your awareness and focus are creating your experience. And just really quickly, I want to disprove materialism. You can use the observer effect to disprove a lot of things, and let's just use it here really quickly to disprove materialism. For example, materialists like Neil deGrasse believe that the world is solid and real, that the universe is deterministic, and that the observer collapsing the wave function is simply a measurement and has nothing to do with consciousness. In other words, the external world is all that exists and we have no influence on it. This is incorrect and not the case for multiple reasons. Number one, you need a conscious observer to set up the experiment. There is no way to set up the double slit experiment, take the measurement, record the data, and interpret the data without a conscious observer. This is physically impossible. Number two, if I take a materialist from birth, right? We take Neil deGrasse or any other materialist from birth, and I send him off to a Buddhist monastery for 20 years. Then I send him off to a Zen temple for 10 years. Then I send him off to a spiritual village in Tibet for 10 years. And then we ask him the same questions. What is the universe made of? Is it solid and real? Is there consciousness? That person, Neil deGrasse or any other materialist, will have a completely different answer because they will hold different beliefs, proving The observer collapses the wave function. Listen to what I'm telling you for a second. Your beliefs, the programs that are running in your subconscious mind on autopilot are frequencies, are vibrations, and they're molding the invisible world to produce the world that you're perceiving through your senses of duality as solid and real, giving the illusion that it's the ultimate reality. But it's a perception of reality that you're experiencing based on the thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that you're holding. There is no external reality out there. That's an illusion. Our perception of reality creates our experience of it. Okay, so now how to apply the observer effect for manifestation. Here are 3 practical steps. Step number 1, set clear intentions. What reality do you want to collapse? Be specific. Step 2, visualize with emotion. Feel the joy and gratitude of already having it. This is crucial and is the energetic signature that aligns with your desired reality. Step 3, stay in alignment. Observe your thoughts and emotions daily. Redirect any that don't align with your vision. Observation is an act of creation, becoming aware of the programs that we are running on is the first step to change. You're not just a participant in reality, you're its creator. The observer effect isn't just science, it's your guide to a limitless life. Leave a comment in what you're manifesting this year, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.